Welcome back to Next Level Homes. Today we are stepping inside a breathtaking modern mansion where luxury meets timeless design. From the very first look, this home makes a powerful impression with its sleek architecture, expensive glass walls, and perfectly balanced outdoor landscaping. As we enter, the grand entrance welcomes us with soaring ceilings, elegant lighting, and a beautiful floating staircase that instantly becomes the centerpiece of the home. Every detail has been carefully chosen to create a space that feels both sophisticated and inviting. The open living areas flow seamlessly into the dining space and designer kitchen, making this home ideal for both relaxing with family and entertaining guests. Large floor to ceiling windows fill every room with natural light while offering stunning views of the outdoor living areas. Step outside and you will discover a true private retreat. The infinity style swimming pool, stylish lawn spaces, and beautifully designed garden create a peaceful atmosphere that feels like a luxury resort. As evening falls, warm architectural lighting transforms the entire property into something truly unforgettable. This is more than just a beautiful house. It's a lifestyle built around comfort, elegance, and modern living. If you enjoy exploring the world's most inspiring luxury homes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new home tour. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next episode of Next Level Homes.